Composer Crash Course. Assuming Ubuntu 14.4 is your system. Installing Composer. This command over here basically runs the script which installs Composer. This command over here moves the downloaded Composer executable to the user local bin directory. To test Composer at the command line, give this command, composer about. Composer self-update will update your Composer. Now, I'm not sure the specific reason why this is necessary, but you're going to want to add this directory to your path. And basically that entails adding this line to your bash RC. And then, unless you log in and log out, you might want to source your bash RC, and to test it, do echo the path to see if the .composer vendor bin directory in your home directory is there. You're going to want to install peer. To do that, use this command over here. By the way, you're probably going to want this other package here called php5dev. And to test whether peer's been installed, do peer and hit enter. When you install peer, PECL is also installed. PECL is for installing PHP modules whose binaries don't exist on your system. Actually, you can also use apt-get to do that. On the other hand, peer, as opposed to PECL, is for installing PHP libraries, although PECL is actually part of peer. Always run Composer in the virtual machine instead of on the Mac OS X, which is hosting the virtual machine. I'll jump to the reason is that Composer tests when you install a framework or a package with Composer, there's probably going to be a test happening of the environment in which you are installing the package or framework. Therefore, I or you need to run Composer on the virtual machine when when you're in the development environment. In the production environment, that doesn't matter. The command I had used to install Symfony was this one, and it uses the create project Composer command. If Composer errors out during the create project or an install of a package, you will need to run Composer install again after the problem is corrected by you, so that the installation can be finished. On the other hand, Composer upgrade as opposed to Composer install, that is used as part of a procedure for getting newer versions of your dependencies. Okay, that's it for the crash course.